All right. Welcome back, everybody, to a brand new 1% live trading stream. As you guys know, we run these every single Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday at 9:30 or 9:35 in the morning, depending on if we have news for that specific day. Today is Wednesday. It is March 25th, 2026. We're going to be going over some gold today, looking to trade some gold. It is a Wednesday, so we do have a reversal day in play. No news for today, no news for tomorrow. Well, there is 8:30 news, but there will be no news later in the day as far as that goes. So we'll just be focusing on some XAU USD today. We'll see if something can come up for Wednesday. Now Wednesday reversal. So let's do our top-down analysis. Let's do the thing that we do every single time we come down here. So looking at our top-down analysis from our higher time frames to lower time frames, if you are a new trader and you are looking to do top-down analysis, always take a look at your higher time frames. So start off with your higher time frames and then move into your lower time frames from there. So we'll take our higher time frames, our daily, our 4 hour, our 1 hour, sorry, our weekly, our daily, and our 4 hour, and be able to use our lower time frames, hourly and below, to be able to find what it is going to do for that specific day. So now, higher time frames are telling us that we are bullish in the moment due to the fact that we are creating low, lower high, lower low, higher low, and then now we just created a new higher high. So possibility for us to come back to previous areas of supply. We just had a nice little weekly push onto these lows right here. We were looking for this entire move into this 4-4 range, which is exactly what we got on that push down on that nice little short trade, and then continuation to the upside from there. So now it is going to create a range, so we will look for the range. But for today specifically, price is in a current bullish range. H4 is bullish, H1 is also bullish as well. No breaks or structures to the downside on H1. So I'll be looking for most likely a move to the upside. Possibility that maybe we come down and take this low again as well. But then we make that move to the upside following that. As it is Wednesday, so we are looking for a possible reversal, maybe even just into this low here for XAU. So we'll watch and see what it gives. We did already have a nice little taking out of the highs right here. An M15 break of structure to the downside, but then it kind of broke up right after that. So very interesting spot for it. We'll just see what it starts to build and what it looks like following that. But thanks everybody for popping out. It has been a while. We're going to continue to keep showing up every single day on time. Stick to our routine, stick to our schedule as far as this goes. Look like that possible short trade is coming up as well. M1 did just break down. I do like a short trade here, man. Something like this, using that M1 high as our stops, targeting the most recent low. Yeah, most likely something like this. I want to watch it at the lows as well. No trade taken just yet. All right. Short trade looks to be coming up here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this short trade here. Top into these shorts, market shorts. My man, what's going on, Chris? Good to see you, brother. All right, so a little short trade. I'm going to explain it for you as well. We're taking this low to the downside, just into this low right here. Nice little Wednesday reversal into play. Monday and Tuesday were pushes to the upside. So Wednesday, looking at that possibility for that move to the downside. Nothing too crazy, but it should be smooth trading today. It should be smooth trading. But it is good to see y'all in here. As far as GC goes, let me check the I think it's gonna be that 4520 low is your TP. Stop loss is gonna be around I think the 4565 range because this one's delayed. Yeah, just as high. Is 4523. So 4523. Stop loss is most recent 4569. So that's yeah, 4567. Sweet, sweet, sweet. All right, now let it play out. See if it'll do its thing here. M1 already a double breaker structure to the downside along with that N5 as well. Wednesday reversal. That's why I'm not looking for a whole move into these lows or anything farther than that. Just a small reversal through these. Take some people out. Get some people to say, hey, we should short this. And then it goes long. But it's good to see y'all in here today. Good morning. Good morning. Is the mic not working? Let me hop on. I'll get on right now. All right. All right. All right. Oh, Discord always does that. All right. Should be better now. Oh, Discord always does that, man. All right, sweet, 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 sweet. Well, anyway, we're explaining XAU USD. It is a Wednesday. It is a reversal day today. We did have a 5 minute and 15 minute break of structure to the downside right here. Double M1 after coming into that 5 minute area of supply. What do we look for? Mitigation, liquidation, creation. Mitigation, liquidation, break of structure to the downside, break of structure to the downside, creation. There's that push to the downside that we were looking for. Beautiful, beautiful move on XAU today. Just into these lows again, nothing too crazy. I do believe we are bullish on higher time frames, but on the lower time frames, we are going to take out some people first. Huge, huge, huge move on the higher time frame, so expect that to continue. So now at about 1 hour here. Beautiful, beautiful move so far on GC. We should just see some continuation here. Should just see some clean, clean continuation. Nice little push to the downside. Break even now since up 1 hour. I like that. I like that. If I get another low, I'll BE. Again, it shouldn't really come up from now. So I do agree with you as far as that aggressive BE. That's awesome, bro. That's awesome, bro. That's how you know it's aligned, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Means you're looking at the right stuff. I hope. I hope I am. It means we're both. No, we're doing good, man. We're doing good. Beautiful trade today, either way. We're gonna see it hit these lows for sure, and then following that, we might actually have a push to the upside. Entered NQ short pre-market to get stopped, and now it melted, bro. Sheesh, man. That's how it goes, bro. That pre-market, man. That pre-market. Gotta wait till at 9:30, my friend. Wait till at 9:30, liquid injection into the market, and then you'll be good to go, my friend. 9:30, 10 o'clock, bro. 9:30, 10 o'clock. I'm telling you. Because I was the same way. I was the same way for a very, very long time. You can have the right risk management, but if you find yourself always constantly trading, then it'll be worse for you in the end. So find that schedule. You know what I mean? Take that 9:30 and just say, you know what? I won't sit there until 9:30. Wait till then, and then you're good to go. Really, all you're doing there is mitigating your risk, right? That's it. So you're saying you're taking less, not really chances off the table, but more so chances to lose in that case, if that's the meaning. So if I'm continuously trading on Mondays, if I'm continuously trading on Fridays, or sorry, not Fridays, if I'm continuously trading on Mondays and they are bad days for me, I can mitigate that risk by not taking those trades on those days, right? So now all of those losses are no longer a thing because I'm not even here to trade them, right? That's me how I've been, brother. I appreciate that, man. I've been real good. I've been real good. It's been crazy busy, dude. It's been crazy busy, but finding that routine, getting everything in schedule. My biggest thing right now is just getting up in the morning, bro. I'm up late pretty often usually, so trying to get up in the morning and find that sleep schedule for me, and I'm good to go from there, man. But things have been great. Things have been great. I got a bunch of stuff on the way as far as the office goes, putting everything together, making it all look good. Other than that, hobbies, man. I'm about to get into fishing here soon. The weather's looking very, very nice. Yeah, it's real, bro. It's insomnia, man. It's insomnia. It's been crazy. But at the same time, it's been a lot of change, and change is good, and change is adaptation, right? Change means something good, right? It can be good or bad, but in my opinion, it means something good. Change is always good. Never be afraid for change. Always adapt. Because then the next time it happens, you're ready that much quicker. That's all it is. Gets you used to trading too. That's why if I do find one eventually, I gotta make sure that she's not very high risk. She can't be stressful. You know what I mean? Because when she finds out that I just lost her week, her yearly pay yesterday, she's not gonna like that. She's not gonna like that at all. Nails $100. Nails $100, man. Just lost 10 of those. Pond, yes. Pond, yes. Not a very big one, but it is a pond. There's nothing in it. I may. I just may. So I want to, but I don't want to. As a fisherman, I don't want to just because I know it's there. Just because I know I put them in there, you know what I mean? For the sport, for the love of the game, I don't want to, but at the same time, I do want to, just because I know it's guaranteed. Supply and demand, right? Create your own market with fish in my pond. Oh man. Oh my goodness. Actually, yeah, I didn't even think of that, bro. I didn't even think of that. Mate, you're right. Smart man. Shit. Yeah. Actually, I will then. Actually, I will. Yeah, nice little pond. It's not very big. I would say maybe like 40 yards across. I would say 40 yards. Length width is maybe 35. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, it's pretty decent. It's pretty decent. Still a pond. Hell yeah. All right, M1, what is going on here? We're gonna watch this here. We may go break even here soon, take a BE if it does decide to come back up into these highs. Because again, with Wednesday being that reversal, we were just looking for it to take out some lows and then make that move to the upside. As far as the lows, though, I'm looking for this full low still. I don't see a full reason for it to reverse here, but it definitely can following us taking out these lows as we are so bullish on the H4. But we'll see. We are still chilling either way. M5 has broken down coming up into that area of imbalance currently. So watch and kind of see what it does here. If we hold that, if we start to show that behavior of the candles pushing away from it at this area of imbalance, or if instead we start to push up into that imbalance, show some strong closers, and dismember that imbalance, that supply. But yeah, man, things have been good. It's been real busy, man, but really focusing on getting this back in routine, getting the server up, getting us popping again. So we're doing a bunch of giveaways. I'm figuring out some stuff to do on Fridays as well, as far as Friday night type of activities, events, maybe get together, watch some sports events or something. Um, I personally play Magic, but I don't know if there's a lot of nerds in here that would be down for something like that. But yeah, we'll make an event, I think, every single week. Just start to get more community pop in. Yes, it is business oriented, but at the same time, right? I get lonely, man. I get lonely, bro. I do. I admit it. I do. I admit it. Damn right, man. Damn right. Damn right. That was the biggest one, bro. That was the biggest one. Roof over your head, place to sleep, place to eat, man. It's very important. A foundation first, right? Foundation first, then everything following that. Foundation, routine, and then consistent refinement from there. Yeah, definitely just a retracement into the highs. A little M1 push, it seems. Nice little liquidation. So we came down like this. Nice little push back up. And then you got your mitigation, liquidation on M1 now. So we got our M5 right here. Mitigation, liquidation, break a structure to the downside. Now we're kind of looking for the same thing on M1. Mitigation, liquidation, and it should take out this low, which would be the creation. But yeah, we'll continue to hold this one. It should be a nice little move here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, so same thing you saw on M5. Mitigation, liquidation, breakdown right here. Same thing that just happened within this structure on M1. Keeps it nice, keeps it fractal. Helps you understand that you're looking for the same thing no matter what time frame it is as well. It's all fractal, it's all the same. 15-minute looks gorgeous as well. If I was to long this, 15-minute demand right here. This would be my 15-minute demand that I would long it from. Now, what did we do as we came into that demand, right? Did we bounce off of this demand? Did we show that like liquid behavior where we're liquidating lows, starting to push back up? No, we did not, right? Opposite, we just closed right into it. So that also tells you where price is going to go. Nice M1 push. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, we should be nearing TP any second now. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, clean little trade today, though. I like that push, man. Let's watch this M5, see how this goes. We may. No, I don't want to say this. I don't want to say this. I'm just gonna leave it and let it do its thing. I find myself taking trades out too early too often. So TP or BE, one of the two. But I will go break even now that we have broken down again. Hmm. So let's put that stop at break even. This would be this high here. We'll confirm that. And then we call it a day. Free trade. Did it really? It closed it, bro. Hey, that's not a bad thing, man. That's not a bad thing. That's not a bad thing. Technically, you got a nice little pool. I'll take the profits. Because it could just range here and come back and take us out. Oh, not bad. Hell yeah, man. That's not bad, bro. That's not bad. Trade's still sitting here for me, so that's not a red day. That's a free trading day. Free day of opportunities. Plus it's a Wednesday, bro. Come back tomorrow. You'll love it. Today, no bueno. Trust me. Yeah, that's not a red day. Just a free trade day. Break even day on to the next. Top step weird though for that, man. Yeah, yeah, it was gross last week, bro. Wednesday was disgusting last week. Wednesday was absolutely disgusting last week. Thursday was too. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I appreciate it, my boy. I appreciate it, my boy. Hell yeah. Let's see what we get, man. Let's see what we get. Hopefully we can get that continuation here through the lows. But oh man, things have been nutty. But for the better, bro. For the better. For the better. I have some ideas. I have some schemes. I've been scheming in the lab. We're about to I think I'm gonna see y'all change. Or y'all gonna see me change this game. It's gonna be crazy, dude. It's gonna be crazy. All of the stigmas that you have behind quote unquote gurus, all the stigmas that you have behind who a trader is or should be will be gone. I'm gonna fuck this shit up, man. Trust. We've been working, man. We've been working. Chris said that one fund that I almost blew last week is now back with 3 I left from 1.5. Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir. Dude, that was nuts, bro. That free reset, dude. That saved you, bro. That saved you. That was really cool, though. I'm glad they did that, man. I'm glad they did that. Cool to see Top Step do that. I think M1 will still continue to make its move down here. Just wanted a little push up, maybe get some more longs into play. A lot of people are seeing that H4 push up and saying we should long this, which they're not wrong. It is bullish on H4, but lower time frames are showing that push to the downside. That's a good thing, bro. That's a good thing, bro. Always do that. Always do that. I've definitely messed up a few times, made that copy trading mistake where I'm on like 150K and then I have a 50K as well, and I open the one con on the 150K, but they're both connected. Correct, correct. Yeah, watching every single trade. Not watching them, but doing all of your steps before you go to take the trade. Oh man, we make it break even tier. I'm fine with that. I'll take the free trade. and be on to the next. It is a Wednesday, man. It's a Wednesday. It's past 10 o'clock as well. He said he learned it the hard way immediately last week. Market humbles you, bro. That's the one thing. When it tells you about his rules, it tells you, dude. It tells you. Yes, correct, correct. It's a free trading day, man. Just a free opportunity. That's all it is. Back on to the next. I take that all day. I used to get so mad on those days, though, man. So mad on those break even days because I want to come out with something, bro. But that's just greed. That's just greed. That's all it simply is. But yeah, break even day on to the next. Simple, simple, simple. Like if I take this break even year, I'll most likely not even take another trade for today, just because it's Wednesday. Just due to the fact it's Wednesday, because I know it's gonna act like this for the rest of the day. He said, "I finally got a job secured. Last week was off emotions. That emotional controls go to with trading." Yes, brother. Yes, brother. Another guru stigma. If you are a 19, 20-year-old, 21-year-old kid trying to trade, trying to make something for yourself, please, please get a safety net. Please get a job. Please do something in that factor to where you can have that foundation. You can start to build a routine, and then you can do what you need to do on the side of that. I tried it, dude. I tried it myself, even with money. It's very, very difficult to only have your only source of income coming from trading, even if it's millions of dollars, due to the fact of how you're perceiving the money when you are trading. That's all it is. Every single trader that tells you they only trade is lying to you. You can't just only trade. And if you just only trade, then you will find yourself most likely dead in the next 10 years, in the next 5 to 10 years, just from the fact of you sitting on the charts 24/7, doing nothing. Because you have to sit on the charts 24/7, because that's your only job. Now, it doesn't have to be something you make money off of, but it does need to be productive. It does need to be a hobby. It does need to be something that you do that makes you feel good, right? Like helping out other people, finding other things to do as far as that goes. You have to create still a business and a routine and a scheduled routine around your trading to be able to still trade, even if it's quote unquote just day trading that you're making money from. He said NQ short TP would have hit pain. Man, shit. Let's see NQ real quick. 30 down too. Oh, 30 was nasty. That would have been a good play today. Well, gold not move like 30, man. Come on now. All right, NQ. Oh, yeah, disgusting too. That's gross. NQ is cleaner. Cleaner, cleaner. Well, it does look like we may be reversing here. Someone's brazy, man. Tapped out it open. Gross, gross, gross. On that first push up. And then right after it came through. Uh, dun, 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 dun. All right, let's see what we got going on here. We'll probably leave it for like 20 minutes or so, and then we'll end it following that. Break even day if it does come hit this high. If not, then we'll have a nice little TP for the day, which it most likely seems it may take this high out. I'm not gonna take it early. I'm gonna focus on setting my TP, my stop loss, and just leaving it, man. Keep the numbers simple. Keep them sweet that way. Excited too. After this, I'm gonna hop on the music. Some new music coming out, man. Music, music. Mm. All right, Lady Goldilocks. Let's figure out a direction now, huh? Where are we going? It looks like we may catch this break even here. We just wanted that one push down, which is perfectly fine. We knew Wednesday was going to reverse. We didn't know how far it was going to reverse. And like I said, if this does come out and take us out, a break even, Chris, let's go, dude. I'm taking action this year. This year I established myself. Stable income, job, passive, top step payout, work with cousin on life agency. YouTube after I get second payout, gonna document journey to YouTube shorts for day trading. Love that, bro. Love that. And of course, equity stocks should try options once I get a 3 to 5K blanket. I love that, dude. Let's go, bro. And that's really all you need to stick with that job, bro. Stick with that for like a year. And now you're sitting with a 10, 15 safety net. The ability to leave the job if you wanted to and still have your top step going for you, still have everything else going for you as well. So keep it up, man. Keep it up. I love it, bro. It's the year, Chris. Let's do it, man. Let's do it, man. Yes. Yes. Play him right, bro. Play him right. It's very, very, very easy to tilt. It's very, very easy to tilt. But play it right, dude. That's all you gotta do. Just keep sticking to the rules, man. Every single day, stick to the plan, stick to the plan, stick to the plan. No matter how you feel, no matter what happened, stick to the plan, stick to the plan, stick to the plan. Put it in your head. Put it in your head. Burn it. Brand it, bro. Make that the golden rule. Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Fire. Fire. Young Ebo. Let's go, Ebo. He's been doing good too, man. I love to see him continuing his journey. Everybody's been going crazy in the server lately, man. I love it. But yeah, play it smart, brother. You gonna get there, man. We all on the same journey right now. Let's continue to keep pressing. Uh, uh, uh. Man. How I see if I already got my first. Yep. Damn right. Damn right, bro. Damn right, bro. If it's done before, it can be done again. And it will be done again. And it will be done again. Now you're locked in, brother. This is it. You marrying it. This is it. You putting a ring on her, bro. So you're gonna commit or you gonna cheat on her. That's it, bro. That's it. Commit to the plan. You're marrying her right now, man. So commit. No cheating. No cheating. Hmm. It looks like we're about to tap out on break even. Go ahead and call it out real quick. All right, break even. It's like zero, zero R on the day. Zero on the day. Yeah, GG. Happens, happens, happens. Okay, so I trim on my trades when I swing. When I swing. When I day trade, it's always full TP. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Swinging is a little bit different of a story. Mainly because I like to compound, man. I like to compound. So I'd rather take the full TP and then like let's say we took this short trade. This is a good example. And we're looking for this low down here. Okay. So we took this short trade and we're looking for this low down here. Now, I took the trade right where we took it, right? As far as TPs go, you would have your first one right here. Second one would be right here. Now, for a swing trade or even for a day trade, I would prefer to take the trade, gain my 3R right here, and then use that 3R to risk it from here to here, if that makes sense, versus holding it from here to this low. Yes, yes. Basically, and I'm not going to say doubles or give you a specific number, but in a way, it dramatically increases the compounding effect of your account because now that 1% has become a little bit more as far as the amount of money that's going in. Still 1% risk, but that risk amount is increasing as you continue to take it along. But with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and journal this real quick. Put this in for 0R. We will be done for today as far as this goes. No more trades that I'm going to take further than this. It is already pretty much 10:30. I'm good as far as any more trades past this. Maybe it comes up to this high. Maybe it takes this out as well. But personally, not taking any more trades. I'm going to focus on other things for today. This was recorded. Will be posted up into YouTube within the next 10 to 15 minutes. So, all right, I'm get ready. Yes, sir. Sounds like a plan, brother. We'll see you tomorrow, my friend. You as well, brother. You as well. Always great vibes, man. Always great vibes. Enjoy your day. Let's get back at it tomorrow, brother. Peace out. Peace out. And with that said, let's go ahead and end it for today. Thanks again, everybody who did pop out today. Break even day. Sometimes we have those days. I'm completely fine with that. The biggest thing for today was the fact that we did have our risk management for that. So again, thanks to everybody that did pop out today. I will catch you guys tomorrow at 9:30 in the morning. We will be trading gold again. And I will see you guys then. Peace out, everybody.